Hey everyone, Jill here with PHOCIS Tech. And if you're a lender still parking cash in escrow, you're leaving money on the table. Take a look behind me. This is real lender income generated through our insured clearing accounts. $235K held for 5 months. That's $588 in passive lender revenue. Now, $450K over 7 months, and you're at $1,500 in revenue. Watch what happens at scale. $650K held over 10 months? That's $2,900 plus. And for our heavy-hitting lenders, $850K over 12 months? That's $4,604 earned automatically. No fees, no invoices, no card on file. Every dollar stays under your EIN, insured through Wells Fargo custody, with zero custody risk. So here's the thing. Lenders are already earning while you're still wiring through escrow. Don't wait on this. Click the link below or text my AI coworker Jack directly at 877-679-6879. We'll have your clearing account live in under 48 hours. We're PHOCIS Tech. We don't change the way you lend, we change the way you earn. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you. From our team at PHOCIS Tech.